I'm doing like J-Boy. Go.
Connected.
Yeah, they call me gentle.
Yeah. Now you go tired. Now you go tired. Yeah. Now you go tired. You go tired. Huh? Good evening, everyone. Now you go tired. Now you go tired. Now you go tired. Now you go tired. Yeah. Now you go tired. Now you go tired. Now you go tired. Oh, thank you. Now you go tired. Eh? Yes, my people. Good evening, everyone. How you are doing? Sit down. Wait, they pay me. So I'll sit down, walk. How you are doing? Good evening, everyone. And welcome back to Monica Lover Show. Thank you for being here this evening, my people. I want to talk about this rubber cassava. Is it a sin? And we will also talk about if you want to do anything back home without family contacts, how you can go about it. Then also, I also want to talk about that our sister that day, where that Pastor Triumph, be one play 419. Our sister was very smart. Now Pastor Nyash don't they fire. many of the members don't they withdraw. Many things can happen. We be say that our sister, if you really listen to her voice that day, not be say she really did desperate to go marry the pastor. But that pastor, good evening, my darling. But that pastor always they ask for money. Online pastors, they ask for money where. I bet more now they careful. Another one still they go about now. One woman will be pastor for Facebook, where they give them oil, whatever. And so they say, if you call and may pray for you, now so money, come pay seed offering, come and pay seed, come and invest, come and name me, come and do Thanksgiving offering. They go ask you money, ask you money, ask you money before you go pay even million plus. You not go know when. Now I make this our sister to send money to pastor that time because it go say come pay for come sow seed for drum, come sow seed for this, come sow seed for that, you know. So at the end of the day, when he comes to the way pastor they talk to him for midnight, now he say, this pastor way I dey always pay money to sow, I supposed to know whether na really pastor, you know. So if pastor they call her for middle of the night, midnight, she come dey pick to know whether pastor first start with let me pray with you, I just dream of you, I want to pray for you. Then it start from there. Who is writing me now, please? Oh, you are disturbing. You understand? So from there, before you know, bang 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 bang, now so pastor don't start to the tell and say how you can't take the cope. How you can't take the cope wey be say you not get man for some time. And then the woman say, now God, you know, and beside, she na woman wey not to the get feeling for all those type of things. So whether man dey or man not dey, she get control over herself. Now so pastor come say, oh, very nice. Don't they see that type of woman again? Now those type of woman, now if God want settle me down, now those type of woman go really like to follow. Before you know, pastor don't start to the talk, say, those type of women, their body is very cool, is very nice, their body still they very untouched, all those type of things. Say you can't they wonder. Now pastor they follow person, they talk like this. Now so way pastor continue. Yeah, now be the thing, they know they read their Bible. Now so pastor. And if they dey lowly, now sometimes they want belong to a fellowship, then they make them fall victim. So as you can see, say pastor where they come out every day, they pray for people. See what they tell person, and me when you they tell, I can report to you say my husband gets wetin I they behave, help me pray, put me everything work out. Then you don't, they already tell me how my body till they do, till they bring water, till they calm, till they nice, till they sweet, till they need. So now you can follow and up, you can start to the record and me see. So as pastor they play low, you can they follow and to taste it. Now so pastor they make barada. You understand? So please, you pastors out there, I know many pastors write me say, yeah, Monica, pastor, human being. Hey, pastor, I'm no ordinary human being like the rest people. Like me, I'm no ordinary human being like the rest people, because there is always that Holy Spirit that will remind you when you want to do bad. You always knock at your heart, bang, 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 don't do this thing. It's always there. Maybe other people, their own feel they late, but you will be child of God. You know the late. God is always there to remind you, to draw you back. But when that feeling of the world, okay, the way our women spoil rich, she don't reach me. Fair listing now, sister Leo Lere, and Nina no really because they're gonna no. No go do a judge no. because they always see your comment for everywhere. It's always upside down. It doesn't make sense, but you just always want to bring it. If you are Loli Dale, you can call Lolo. She always help women in distress, okay? Women in loneliness. She know how to keep you busy. She can tell you what you can do, okay? Don't be scared. Don't be ashamed. If you can't speak English, just speak Benin. She will understand, okay? Instead of you to just be whiling away your time with rubbish comment that doesn't make sense. Look for something that can add to you instead of just whiling it away, okay? It's always good to add to whatever you have instead of wasting it. You understand? So, pastors, please, you need to have self-control. There is nothing like we are also human beings. Oh, no. Have self-control now. Ask Holy Spirit to help you. When you see temptation, you say, flee away from it. If you call God, me, I know. If you call God, Father, help me to overcome this temptation, immediately your body will be cold. So if you make your body to remain warm because you want to play all these women for one night, you know that they cannot call out. A very big woman called me today and said, Monica, do you know I'm a victim of so and so pastor? But if I say it out now, people will not believe, then I just disgrace myself. I said, they will not believe that pastor. One day, monkey go market, you not go come back. Because if you big and you know big past God, you say as you they do all women they go. So wait, they know they feel come and come talk. One day, monkey go market. You no go come back. You go see what it go happen to you. That big pastor of Nigeria that are just misbehaving. It's not good, my people. Okay, so now so our sister won't happen. Don't be say she really just ready say this. They look for husband and make pastor scammer. When he don't say pastor, now very nonsense pastor. Now he help every other person to prove pastor wrong. Okay, say pastor really they do this thing because person don't fair talking for the church. Pastor say na lie because the person no record them. But this our sister he record them. Pastor not fit deny even he remember yesterday. He proven say the pastor they don't fit talking. Everybody be done they suspect him. Just that they no cash him. But the voice when he hear so now 100%. You understand? So this one so he can also go bring this topic we arrive for here. Say using of plastic or rubber dick is a personal choice of women, of some family. And at the same time, people that gather to just condemn it. It make our women spoil. It make our women think big. It's not good. It's this. Please. Some people say it's a sin. Some people say it's forbidden in Edo land. You cannot just impose only Edo culture into everybody. Even the Edo is themselves. Not be all of them want to do all their culture. Not be all. The moment they can greet, la mokgun, la kun, la yewu, they are senior, they respect them. They know that they are from so place. They know what you can do and what. The rest, they want to be in charge of their own life. Edo culture, I not just say, maybe olden days or someone can call in to correct me. I not just say Edo culture, even for olden days, is responsible for how your husband take do you for his ass. Or how you take do yourself for his ass. I'm not sure. Olden days, women, they cry, come out. My husband, not they call me for bed. They cry, come out. If not true, say, because of circumcision, make women they quiet, make they know they ask for more. If not true, say, because you be a dog woman, for that reason, you na this thing, na pekus, you know they scratch. Why it be say, our old mama that time, that they sometimes carry their husband go family meeting, say, Mona, help me ask my husband, wait till I don't do one. You know they call me for sleep. Shebi, it's still a sin because they are not thinking about godly things. You understand? If not true, say, all grandmothers of those days, say, yes, they don't spoil as we can spoil. Now, according to some people, if you're a react, vagina me where ave de nega nedze, in ya so ye kia. a we yan yari ye ho we yan ga so because yan we ta kan ga mi no ma sar mo pa e ave do aga e gba gbogman ai ke do lona a logona a do so gugwe èmi ro pa ki ro funfun gi no no si oga ye ibi we make be vegani. In short, when the thing is not enough, now they even make women they do waiting on right. So please, my people, as this thing still can't come out so, because I don't really know why this thing can still come up again. Wait, be say on every talk show now, what you hear is that plastic dick is a sin. Number one, it's not a sin when you are using it for yourself. Yes, stand to correct me. I will still say the same thing. Masturbation is not a sin against God. It's not a sin. It's a sin, bad habit, only for your own self. If only you have husband at home, okay, and your husband is good, but you just decide to like this type of thing, don't they used to you alone using it, and your husband can't catch you, that one another ball game. It's like cheating like that. It's not really good, except there is a reason for it. You don't tell your husband. You don't tell your husband he no green. You understand? But if na woman wey be say many men, they not they ever accept say they are not too good. May always feel say like that man now wey die on top of Ada. Imagine that kind of man with the bed. Mona see that man face. Give an age. Which age that man go? They will go carry one small calabage, one small girl. The thing is that old men go they look for small girls, and small girls they get energy. They get energy when they are young. You know go feel satisfied them. But may always feel say the older they be, the more they'll take knock you to go drink medicine. Because they say, Ada baby, are you okay, baby? Do you like it like this, baby? In a lie. Na lie. Thank you, my lady. It's a sin to the flesh. Not even sin, bad habit. To your own body. Not to God. You understand? And if you have a reason of doing it, there was a time people in the Bible, they were killing each other children to eat because there was a reason for it. God did not count it as a sin to them. You understand? If you have a reason of doing it, like a lady who called me, her husband is just 54 years old. 54, I'll be 34 safe. 42, something like that. Different of them like that. I think this particular one, Igbo man, 54 years old. This man gets which sickness he call on that day? He get one sickness where he call on me. I never still hear that sickness before. So I come to ask him, how that sickness, how it they be? He said they be like when gonorrhea don't say for inside person's body. He say he get as the thing they be. I don't really know. I bet if you not know this type of sickness, so we get what he call them, but I never ever hear them before, so I don't know. We not be family where they used to sickness at all. We not get anyone. You understand? Okay, you think it invites spiritual husband? No! Even lack of sex, lack of good sex for women can create spiritual husband for your head, because spiritual husband is in your head. No. You understand? It is bad habit when you are addicted to it. Yes. And that addicted to it is not when you now have a good man that is asking you, am I okay? Am I doing you right? Is you okay? Are you satisfied? Are you enjoying it? And yet, you are still lying to that man. Immediately that man left for work, then you start satisfying yourself. That one is bad. If you have a man that want to open up, that keep asking you, are you sure I'm good? Please. Please. Hello, my love. My darling sister, how are you? It's a sin in the sight of God. Me, I'm not going to discuss over that. You can... I'm not going to discuss over if it's a sin, it's not a sin. Because if it's a sin, it's not a sin. We will sit here today. We will go and bring Bible verse. Who not go believe, no still believe. So on that ground, that's why I say it's a personal choice. Do you know that you insulting somebody you don't know on social media is a sin? Do you know that it's not only those who carry cutlass and key that is a murderer? You that lie against somebody, what you don't know, what did not happen on that person's life, you call in and you start delivering wrong message. Do you know you are a murderer? Because it's in the 10 commandments. Do you know, bear false witness against your neighbor? Many of you do it. You got to come and you tap, pash. Then you come to me and come and tell me masturbating myself, not yourself. Oh, I not touch your own way. Go come be sexual or this thing. Oh. Myself, that is a sin when you are not there. I didn't do it in public to disturb the public. I didn't do it in sight of you. My private thing is just like that, your private sin. So let us see it like that. Okay? Because everybody have private sin. You have that thing you are doing that is not good in the sight of men, in the sight of God. Look at a pastor that we call a woman, married woman for that matter, that cried to you, the father, master, teacher, please help me. The next thing you start telling a married woman, do you know since 1 year now you've not made law, your body can be strong. Hi, I love women that know how to keep themselves. When you enter, like you now, hey, the day where person go enter, you go make boom. Oh, now that sound. Imagine a pastor. Pastor, if you want me to repost it again, I will repost it. Pastor say, the day where I go cash you, when the woman don't already say, okay, no problem, we go do. He said, the day where I go cash, I go do you, your pekos go the red. Woman where no get. Middle of the night, you won't call that a sin. Your husband is busy. Your husband is supposed to be married for better, for worse, only 2 of you. But you yourself know that your husband is flirting. And what did you say? Some women, I bet na man's word. Na men must flirt. So you can accept what is sin to God. Eh? To be honest, it is not good because the women doing it might not have feeling for men again. God doesn't create it like that. It is human lust. No, my sister. I don't know. Many of us married women, we don't consider our single sisters at all. Especially those of us who be say all our life we've been with our partner or from our youth to the age that we are now. So we are used to our husband. We are used to how we have our phone. It's not a problem. What about people? People that are not like that. Okay, do we not say now the moment you divorce, you should keep your pekos? Is that what you guys want to tell people? Or the moment people divorce, they should immediately look for another man? Cheating is a sin. When your husband is seeing a girlfriend on top of you, your husband is a sinner. But you will drag your husband in with all pleasure. Because that one not be sin where they keep person. Not be sin where they shame woman. Because only sin where they shame woman. Now they call sin a sin. People husband for this social media, many don't come say, oh sister, I don't know how they ask my husband go they masturbate for toilet. Nobody don't castigate men for it. Say, man, why will your wife be at home? Why will you are with Nigeria girlfriend inside your telephone and begin to masturbate? Look at this popular guy on social media. He wife their bed with her. Even the girl when they chat with for inside WhatsApp, they ask and say, what you they do by this time when you still they call me? Because it was late. When it's late, husband and wife supposed to be, you know. It was late, and that married young guy was chatting again. The girl bring her to me. I read everything with his own letter heading of his name. The girl come ask him, at this time of the night, what are you still doing? Why you are not sleeping? He say, I dey here, they suck my wife breast. Now that one say, you they suck your wife breast. Now you they call me at the verse. Now he say, no verse because I they miss you. Can I see? Can you imagine? That one is not a sin. It's not a sin. When men are with you in your own bed, they are masturbating with another person. It's not a sin. Okay, when women now decide to suffer masturbate in private so that they can control their head, so that they can control their self, and the next day bath and go to office, nobody can see them like dog, then we will say it's a sin. We want to castigate them. Why is it that everything where woman they do may take it herself to be responsible, now be sin? Why won't take can? And now we women, next thing they do, if you hear woman saying use rubber, hey, for me, I go the shame. If my husband become dog to all the alalue, I go the shame. Which kind of be that go lalo the whole thing, finish go come bring and come for me? And that one not the pain on her. It's not nice, my people. Let's think about this thing very well. Let's think about it. This is the reason why Africa people, mostly Nigeria, all country, they go forward, they go backward. Everything is sin. You will wake up for night, go put fire for people, market, money where they take they feed their own family. We sin past that one. But you, now if you ever catch woman where they say, he pull hand for your own peku by himself, you not come and say, man, can't do one for me. My people, women, come on now. Why do you guys always leave this type of topic for me? Like say, now let me one. Now I get woman body. Una not get woman body. Una get woman body now. Me they say every now and then, every week, me go they do vroom vroom vroom. Woman not really they do vroom vroom every week. Woman not they do vroom vroom every month. Woman not they do vroom vroom every 3 months. So women if you program in mind, you know say your husband not there as woman, they program their mind. You travel for 5 years, your mind, your feeling, your body will travel for 5 years or so. But if you not get man where you they wait, my grandmama say who not get who they wait, not they stand for one place. Person when not get who they wait at all. How come where go come program in man where body no go make men as soon as body they do vroom 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 every now and then. Woman body they do vroom 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 once in a while. Nobody touch her. You don't think of anything because na so way God take creating. Once in a while go do vroom vroom vroom. So if you know say you put your wife for Africa, you just there I married traditional wife. Nothing they happen. La wo go me last check up. Who tell you say nothing they happen? Who tell you now you create a body for her? Now you be God, but your own body they do vroom 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 uriekba. What stay because what soon my boy your wow. Oh vroom vroom. That is why it's good to discuss it. My wife, I'm going to be traveling for 1 year. Okay? If your body do vroom vroom, let me know. Let's know how we can do it. Good. Don't just do la what bebe fwa. If they can't call you after 1 year, I see your wife for one corner, you're the vest. My brother, why? You stay 1 year. Why do you think it's men thing to always throw away and it's woman thing to die with waiting God? As men they throw away, now so woman they make woman na dot, but men na pim, but na the same way where you go con your head go make vroom. After 1 week your head go they make ga again. Woman if it make vroom, it don't finish. Don't kill and come out for your body. Please. let's discuss this thing very well. It's very bad for a man to come to social media public and say, I have the right to marry how many wives, but my wife don't have the right to even say, only come near me, they scratch me. Oh, could not be a lawyer. I'm a palo say, I'm a fiancé. Do you know when mona ikwe bien na agi finyo wa yo bok kan wari gan? Agi finya wo se na na mo yo kekere yo. Di ama enwe o January Jani of Africa go bungbe. Please, if it's Africa culture for a woman not to come clap for herself, please don't impose it on everybody. Don't make it general. Allow people to make that adult choice. It's an adult choice to make, and it's a private one for that matter. How come this thing that is private for years, since 18 something, white people have been using this private thing? Your boss that doesn't have husband is using it. Among the white single mother is highest, but you don't hear this nonsense anywhere. How they conquer, how they keep themselves, how they move on. You don't hear it anywhere. You will never see a white woman playing video and doing like this to any fucking man when he knows what he can do to himself. But look at our girl, where video come out that day. They come beg. Mona, help me. I was in the world. No, my darling. It's because nobody lectures you how to do this thing yourself. Otherwise, where will you, somebody they far away in Africa, eh? He can't touch you. He can't do you nothing. And you record yourself misbehaving. Send it down. How does that make you conquer? How does it make you feel good, my darling? You can do it yourself without having to call anybody to wash you. Because body no be firewood. Me we talk and so. Now me be the most spoiled woman. Thank God I'm not married to your brother. I'm not married to your husband. But please, I don't like the idea whereby anything where woman just say they enjoy themselves, it becomes a sin. When makeup came 3-4 years ago now, 4 years ago particularly, 2016 was very hot. That was how people begin to shout, makeup is not good though, married women go the makeup, oh, they go enter, oh, this one, oh, that one, oh. Why? There you are, see this man miss cream, bleaching cream, bleach there. Say, who are you bleaching yourself for? For another woman, for extra concubine, but your wife is not allowed to dress nice. It's not good. Then we sit down, a gay presenter, and we begin to present. When you are using red back day, your name will be big. How many times we presenter don't ever come say, oh, gogoro man, in the key cassava. You see some husband men looking at them. You don't need to even go there before you know. So no na. Oh no na. Egbe to feel because it can one ariane. On a what's the bed doctor rock for don't go that way. It can go yegle. Oh, you be never you know you be amono. In my ya boy ya say ya dog no my ya ye. Ah, we yani wa noticing yet do. Those men when no they try. Now they put on for man pass. They always talk, say. Woman, they ask for more now because it's too spoiled. You know why? He want key that. He want put you for low self-esteem. So that make you they hide. Make you no fit talk again. Because you know, say, yeah, every not I say, yeah, deve be yen hian wa bi guy live anything say, eri o hian we say. Very good. Veneti we say no ya de mo to my brother. But we jere wa no omanu muhia. You will see all these people where be say that they do as their power reach. They don't do and finish. They don't do and finish. They not go also consider who they carry. Now that they even look for shabe. Now they look for slim girls. Their thing can deep. My brother, how long are you to go to that deep? Why can't you go and look for fat girl where their things they quick cover so that you carry your small thing and go? You go they look for slim girl can listening in leg bali shots. Now they like if you sit down put. If you sit down put or must say half of ogo here. If you can't check in now, me for reach inside. Ah we me this girl the thing they enter brain because he don't really they scratch it brain. He want be scratch but you cannot scratch it. Make it the ghetto make you some men go do finish go come back to outside go come they talk if you see one girl where I carry that get the fast the way they do my brother you know they try and make am the kpakpa because if you they try I total yon z ekpaye vare oh do oh kpakpa fie le go re gan oh gwale kona no ikeno na hama gwalo va kona jena oh god. Okay, when you turn daddy one year, baby, you are sick. Baby, you are sick. Baby was looking for the corner. Baby was looking for something to hammer it. You were one you. She was not lere because of you. She was looking for her own corner to get it. We want you at ooh, baby, you are sweet. We hope here we have God Almighty. We don't want jump at that person. Hey, you go come say, oh, you are sweet. You really sabi walk, my brother. You wait there. You know sabi walk. You know sabi walk. You understand? So please, my people, let us not just come aside and start throwing stone at these women, especially with the married people, because we get them. Married people, now so with me I tell now single people, how we married people take they do cassava. Aya wala come anytime you want no or go everywhere bed wa your bog ye kevere no wa see trust it oh da your bo wa ye ege yeke o wa we bia bigo money di no ya woge start then now wa be woge start or see a married people they over river they flow for their body over river. Sometimes when you get something too comfortable with it, you think that is how it is with everybody. That's one thing we always do. When you are very comfortable, you tell everybody this is it doesn't work like that. Everybody is not like that. It doesn't work. And there are also some married people also. They know their body not be river because their husband are a balo. Baby wake up, baby wake up, baby wake up, baby look at me, baby wake up, baby wake up. If you're me because of diabetes. One Igbo man, wife, that day, 54 years old man, the husband are a ballo. He said the mama, they get 3 children. I say, I'm not counting about 3 children. He said, now that one ain't be the shame where they inside. If you tell people, say, right from the time where you just get this man, I say, why you can't carry? If not right from where you take carry, he said, because boys be don't too use them. You know, so when you can see better man, you don't know, say, nah, a ball of the man, get na make and they carry get in. Some kind things, I don't fit talk or finish. Ni wa take any year webo. I don't fit talk or finish for this place. So, some kind things when it comes to life partner, our guess, our choose say, sometimes the one where you feel say, oh, now if find me I carry. Hey, why say what so abi e why say what where you yakota. O yakota. Where they come they say if he husband friend do one, he enemy do one because na fine, na sister carry. Inside body na kporo either he overswim or na just in short 2 seconds is too long. 2 seconds too long. Oh ja until they are bo ogwega. We baba wogiya o wame ya jarara. Now so where some people date for inside body. Someday he go say my husband is very caring. Hey, my husband can lick my leg. If I say go throw away shit, you go throw away. Go bring this for me. Go bring her. Because the man knows say na a balo. And when you get na do kweni me, ije me o baba ne baba last ka check up. He gonna pa. So men, they know say they know they operate. So when he reach his bed, anything you say do for me, he go do and go do. He go if he come back Canada, he go if you say, oh my wife, I beg. You see that kind one. People go still manage, go there inside, you go say, now husband, your husband is very caring. He's very caring. He's a bed. He the beg, he fuck up every now and then. Why you not go carry? He ya work be ma we pa we ama will be. Onana mi on e ye do wo ma sebe. Emi okpa no na ma. You understand? This lady say when in the carry boys before, all of them they good though. But they go, they misbehave. They not be better people. They not responsible. Very useless. Who not be flatter, go the thief in money. Who not the thief in money, go say, me go the work at work. So when you can finally see this man now, God. Now so they carry a pepe. He say, don't they follow this man almost 3 months. He not talk, say, come make a conchuku. He say, he conseille. I make book be very now. Hey, oh, when you want me, why you can't stay when you know that say this type of man so when they follow me sleep no they do. He say mama why I know that now because if the man sleep for my back before he just touch me thing go just make that. You understand? But he go say I want you to relax. I want you to do it when you want to do it. You understand? He know they know say as he don't make that or to the man they fear may not be say he never quick me capture this woman with all the gadget of gift where they this world. May don't they confess to me say, oh, I am milk me wear. I dey milk me wear before he go come show and say, na a balo I dey carry they go. He say, mama, na so it do me. This man, he give me all the petty way they this like that. I was feeling like queen. He say, na one day can say don't reach. Oh yeah, mo can't do today. He said, nah, this man, he come the baba, because let's take drink, let's nini. Now, so they talk every kind of thing. He say, when they come reach there now, balo, you know what come, man, no problem. And the first time, over too much waiting. Are you sleeping? Yes, there your bob when mama Maggie yore. You know, oh yeah, you know one this small drink, then your cause this so he can rest. He can say no problem, I don't need to disgrace myself. Make I wait. Wait another day. AGB. He say quiet oh. From there, the husband can kukuma travel before he can get belly. Now so when they take bond their first pikin, mama. Second pikin, na just still like that. Mama, before I know inside where I did, I don't waka na 3 children. That if I want to tell person, as I take get these 3 children, they go say, yeah, then Kasava will give you 3 children. And they complain like this. He say, mama, I believe say my body don't short. My body ain't go don't short. My husband never enter. He never enter. One day say from day when he come one day say you dey sick. Wetin dey happen now? The thing go just get up. Put up. Oh wow, ja. We know we when you. I don't tire because the boyfriend we I first get now their character make me wrong. But you see that see it dey enter brain. Yo, I never feel now. Oh my body they make seke. I don't understand. See, your husband start to the beg. Please, what can we do now? What do you want us to do? What do you want us to do? You understand? Now make the woman come forward and say, Mama, see what my husband even they suggest. Right now, he suggests everything. Because he don't really want lose me. He don't want scatter your own. He want train your own children. But this thing, me, I don't tire. We don't there for a year. I just they go like this. Me, I don't talk come. And really, I don't see anybody where I want there. Me, they don't go they use my husband. That thing, so it really they be. Oh, you want there? Tell one person. Tell your friend for church. Say, I tire. My husband penny. Oh, what's so what? Oh, where? Rabba. What a power Jenny me or God no. Me. I get glad to see. Oh, where? Salobua. You don't go. Then they make people, they go hide down. They no go talk. Many now, they wey be say they don't be 40 something years, their husband don't be 50 something years. It don't finish now. Any kpafuka nena many day kpafuka that BTC wa kpafuka yan. Nene mi maka the way you already be bouze. One lady also say, I don't understand though. Bon, when the day inside the cassava at a time, Mama Monica it did disappear. I say, what do you mean? He said, because your husband bon don't disappear. Oh, why you go. So it be a me, if you now want, me I can't tell you now, or even they put them for Instagram small, now know I be. Make una the year, waiting women they pass through for me, but shame not they let them talk, because they must cover up for their husband. Husband, please stop complaining. Your wife they use rubber dick or doking national acting. When I ma or logo na waro wa rubber dick ya rubber dick where it don't exist. Uma my brother. Uma ame asiko koje na wo sikoko yek benino wo sikoko yek benoko sikoko yek benoko. Why you got me sikoko yek benoko wa gbe kwa. Why now? Please. And if that woman tell you it's okay, as you know sabi walk with a gege, con use and take bimuna uwe ew. Use mat uwe ew, erawe ew, inyo guwa ew. Me understand. Hey, me understand. Please, my people. Inyo gwa when you bug me, or when you nook me, or inyo gwa when or ma when lua gegewe, egalo. Huh? Wazio, your mom and the reason and husband and wife, please talk to each other tonight. This thing when Monica thought so, my own husband, is there our body? How we want to one? Now only two of us secret. We know 1 year. Mona reason. You understand? And another thing, women, please, no be buy. You want go buy extra agege where they call support a buy. By 9 days when you want give extra, should they shop a buy every day, they cost pashoko. Where it could be say your buy na even buzeze. You want to support and buy and take buy. No go carry olele bielele. You know say your husband bloko don't loss. Now go it can't be. If you want your con replace and support and we want more lele bielele. If you reach there, you go the point and key. That one where they up. They'll bring that one. Can you look at it? We know that one, the other one, that one way black. So that one way get red man. Now every man, because no be by big. Now you go to satisfy you for rubber. Please don't select it like that. Extra big or you check or more at the coin. Oh, mama, what kind of wood is this? Is it from Africa? Because it looks scary. Please, there's to me like this. My video. White people when they sell them for market, they just put on there for decoration and for people where they do like all these blue film, they entice the men. They don't do it for you, black woman. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Yours my own. Nah. Yours my own. You know say no the rich part way, you know the rich. We are here what the way what dollar la bia la. Who will they size 2 extra? Who will they size 1 extra? What the size 10 extra? What soon last check up? Over too much. He made a support on it. It's not by big, it take the work. Not the right one to buy. Is very okay. And I don't support you doing secrets from your husband. No, I don't support that. Allow your husband to know that you have it. Okay? The one people say you might be addicted. It might cost mommy water husband. It's a pure lie. In short, a person when no they see man always we be say your body they have sex for drink. Like me, so sex for drink. Okay, there yana mi because now wait till you mostly think, sleep, or sometimes wait till your body need. Now you they go dreams. When your body dry, you get enough water of your own for body from your husband or your man. Women are me married women where they dream. He get one girl for Italy that time. when we fair know, he say they always dream of man go they sleep with her, man go they sleep with her, man go they sleep with her. This night, mama, man don't stay sleep with me. Oh, if I don't get on my body, go just be like say they pour on me. Lolo, say which kind of problem be there? I say, Lolo, you know problem will be this one. Oh, where we go bojo Jesus. I bet ask this woman whether your husband they sleep with her. When we ask her, he say no, your husband not to like sex like that. Not be man come spend for your body where your body may second. Nah, your spend, woman. Your own spend. Because you go they think of sex. One time you go come, now they make you wake up. When you come wake up, you come touch yourself. Body go make, you say, man come on me. Because you feel say you know they come. You they come, you go come, your body go make second like man come on you. No spiritual man can't put spam on you. Never you believe that. Never, I'm telling you. It's because you know they have enough sex. Now they worry woman where they dream of sex. You know they have enough sex. I'm telling you. Say you get man, I still they dream. Always say and mami no ya tate mata always so biani always say mato salo boa because we get inner mind where we take the lie when it comes to sex. Woman we not believe we go say yeah you are good, very good, very good. I like it. You are the what second no see your age bon with poor God forbid. But you they ask and just like say you are the best, you are the good, you are the good. Lie. We lie. Woman say, nah lie. You no feel nothing, my brother. You no feel nothing. That's why I think that Benin person use and take do this thing. Say if you see woman where they do you for you, no go because if you want really tear that woman heart, make they see you coco do. Now lie many. No be all they the sweet. What about origin when you are big boy? Thank you, and summer, please. That one where men they bring on so women will can't use rubber their body or can't open, please. It's not true. It is not true. Please. And if you know, you really know inside your heart. Man, when not they perform good, no. But pride go make and get only man. My brother, put your pride down because now only two of una dey there. Try to know what to work on. If not something you want go they take, I don't encourage her, I don't like her at all. Always fiancé anything we say, Tama, I beg. Now so my power rich. And which other way I will take help you. You understand? No go do more than yourself. Go they swallow 12 medicine because you want to satisfy small girl. Small girl, they down. If you don't, they old. No, they too try small girl. You feel they try ladies. Small girls, now they be. Small girls. You know how God they create this. Woman are stage by stage, as men still be. You understand? So please, don't go try yourself for small girl body like that. Thank you. That's what I want to say. I don't want us to come and bring it as topic. Come they throw women before you know just now. I be son ya but it beneath women oh na draba oh ibo don't they use on am I bima uwo wana lo emi na lo uwo wa ma keke no na ma. I use my own, you know there you use your own. I know the why go can become public toileting. Call they talking for public. It's not nice. You can go to your gynecologist and let if maybe you be extra mind person. May tell you the inches way go good for you. In the same inches for it. Well, may check you, may for know your inches way will give to you. You understand, my people? So, my people, after that one, now our brothers, we are just okay. Wait. Our Unity Fathers Club International for Nigeria. You wait there abroad for here. Sometimes you want to go do burial for home. Sometimes you know say you still get papa and mama for life. And you know say when they die, you want a celebrity burial where you want to give your papa, where you want to give your mama. Your mama don't already they show sign of say 2 years time, 1 year time. Nobody they know, but sometimes some of them they show sign. Instead of you to wait, make it kukuma just die, finish pata. May you come they call Mama Unstoppable. I bet me look for me till we are going to go bania. Wave do so my social media. But what the book Wari international. You can be in abroad and be in this meeting international. And because you are in abroad, how much did they pay per party? 5,000 naira, 25 euro, and not be always. So you can join when you know, say you get papa and mama for grand, responsible one, like this one where I want to tell you now today. After I don't talk about them now, I go post what did they do for social media. You feel looking by yourself, know where you belong. You will be woman, so you not like meeting, but you can register your husband to be there because you know, say your mama still there alive, your papa still there alive, and do not like. If you see my marriage for Nigeria, when we do marriage, now 5 meeting, now he come, now 10 meeting, now he come. My sister take all the money, my brother take all the money. You can join by yourself while you are in abroad. Abroad people go, they do go. Join international meeting from abroad, 25 euro. Sometimes if you do pay, I say 20,000. Then if you want to do anything available, you know, say na your meeting. The money where they want gather, they go give you. You hear so? And not the gem meeting. And then I when we gagire, who agwale sister Philo, bring your meeting come for me. Sister Philo, carry the money. Do you hear me? Carry the money, may come cry to me. Carry the money. Because abroad people, if you like meeting something, let's be doing it right. Nagegi na gbe nagegi gbe na ose no keke no tan aye mi dan ya mweria adota wo se ma. So Unity Fathers Club International, aka Togetherness. I've given this opportunity to people, husband, to men out there. They are very unique. The reason why I am involved, no man, I know, say I know they do this type of thing. When I see all their profile, I was impressed. Okay, they are all business working men. Some are married, while some are not. But majority of them are married, while the rest, whenever married, all their marriage they aside. Very responsible, hard-working men in Nigeria come together. In short, they used to be group of students together, like you go secondary school, your men from secondary school, this one, that one, primary school where you go, that one where still go. So they come together like, what you can they do now? What you can they do now? And so that they form this their meeting where they come day to day. So you can really see the difference of ordinary people doing meeting and where to do people come together to form a club is different. You like that club, you know them. Oh, okay, very nice. You understand? These are some of their pictures. That's their mother, Mommy Naomi. Okay, and these are the men. So I go post what they do. This is the list of who they are, what they do, and you can find them. And again, it can also be advantage, double advantage to you, to me, people where they do something back on you, where they go home always, for you to they look for your brother, your sister. Hello brother, go help me buy zinc. Hello sister, go help me check how much they paint. They have painter. Me I just the Mr. Iziegbe Inye, international businessman. This on livestock, he get cow, they sell cow. Maybe you want to do marriage, not be everything. Some people they sometimes they call me. Now I get all the contact. One woman called me one day, say, Mama Monica, I want buy cow, take give person for a marriage, but I don't want to send the person. I don't want to send money to my person. I just be want make an arrange with somebody and just go drop the cow for them. You understand? I can't say I don't get the contacts. I don't get. But now, it's available. You yourself, you can pick Mr. Iziegbe Inye number. It is on cow. When you send that money, no even fear. You know, say this my hand. You know they enter people way tested, trusted, and guarantee. I'm very, very guarantee for them, 100%, no problem. You can call Mr. Izingbe to say, I want dash cow to Mommy Monica, for example. I want dash cow to my daddy for so and so meeting. Surprisingly, your daddy go just receive. Thank you, Dr. Sender. Your daddy go just dey house. Motor go come, cow. Who bring and come? That kind of surprise is good. Well. Una way they get Godfather, this are to say, if you have a very good Godfather, cow is not too big for him. Mr. Efosa also dey and the best food and event planner. Can you imagine? Many of our brothers dey Africa, they say, create job by yourself. Be happy that you are in a country where you can create job. Nobody ask you. Abroad for here, many people can do bonds. They dare not to do it, otherwise they go arrest them. See that our sister for Germany where they cook, they say, she cook rich. She for don't big if na Nigeria she did. But because of no year, you really cannot cook big. Because you need license, you need to go so many other places. You know, if you cook and I make they sell them for here, they go, wow, this, wow, they more, they be. Create job for yourself. Look at this man. And the best food, that's what they call it, is event planner. Like mama, we want to do 50 years for Nigeria. That the way come from here, carry Igbina go Nigeria, carry somebody. If you just call brother Andy Best now, our plan we know you seven. Brother Temple Osage, he get boutique. And also contractor for sand. Their telephone number there, I go post them for up later when I finish. Where be say you where they do something back home, you the builders sand where they sell for 20,000, your sister go say na 35,000. Ojak moja you the full Nigeria. Na family they be. They know they carry gun. You send the message, they kill you. You understand? So you go call this brother where they do contract for sand. You will say, go put 10 sand for social site. Call your sister. Sister person, they bring sand. After all, you don't pay. That 15,000, 10,000 where your sister go chop on her head. You don't escape her. Okay? Mr. Eigie Chris, stylist, makeup artist. Makeup artist. Are you going to Nigeria? Don't look like Uzepu, don't come. Be like outdated from abroad, dated and upgraded lady. Makeup artist. Mr. Kelly, businessman. Igodao, building material. Mr. Igodao is a building material. You can call him to ask. I bet my brother, how much be zinc? My brother, how much for aluminium zinc? My brother, how much for the one with the paint? How much for the one with the color? How much for this? How much for door? How much for this? People not go to cheat to now 100% again. Wow. Like one of our sister, we built 4 flat for more than 200,000. They know what am I for. Mr. Osaro, Sasco Star, Africa House Painter. I talk and just now. You want paint? Don't be afraid anymore. Call him and you will know the price. Just send a picture or he go send you picture. They were in my father's burial. They are great men. It comes from. Yes, they are very nice, very trustworthy. That's why I'm involved. Okay. Then Mr. Kevin, I be CEO of entertainment. They also get they get theater group, not be in they get theater group. No member theater group and video coverage. You see, they are really talented. I said they were a group of students together. All students are come together, form a club, a social club, and they all have handwork. Okay, CEO of Noruwa, abi no member theater group. You want to do marriage, you want make the con dance, make the con video, You know, say video where they do for Nigeria these days, don't professional. There was video from up, from down. They will put all the coverage. You see what they do for this our lady when newly married finish. So very nice like that. You don't need to call your sister and say, cameraman, 600,000. Like one person will say, I use 10 million to marry. Do be. Even Oshomole marry itself, I'm not sure whether it reached 10,000, 10 million. Because your sister cheats you, that's why it reach. This is the time, eye-opening. Call them, ask for your price. Don't let any sister cheat you. They are cheaters in Africa. Yes, everybody out there in the family. Yes. And prophet also they. You where they look for a prophet, they go for everywhere. See your prophet, come call and make a vision for you. Mr. Busom Osage is still there. I'm not sure saying that one where we know. Now, cement seller, the founder of the club, really thought of every. Yes, cement seller. Okay, that one where they tell you say if they want to deliver 20 bags, they go tell so mad for delivering. Just call this brother and see that when you buy above so bag, it's free of charge delivering to anywhere in Edo State. Where they just now Busom. Okay. Then brother Moruji Dennis, fashion designer. Then businessman, where also they say cow, another cow again. Another cow man again. Then another busher. You say Monica then go fly from abroad, go do makeup for Nigeria or what? Yeah. As abroad people, they go home. You know they see their face for party. It is now you will not sabi makeup for you if you reach Nigeria. You know still sabi makeup now. You need makeup artists, my sister. Common sense is not common. You understand? Then they sell wood. In a full package. You want builders? Don't worry no more. All the price will be in your hand. You don't need any brother to chop you again. You understand? That they get who they sell wood, they get engineer, they get architect, they get smith seller, they get building material seller. Okay? They get magician. Oh, Serima oh. You understand so? Then what do they call them? They get magician. Now full package. They get electrician for your house. They get a spray painter. You know, say Nigeria these days they get one of that kind of painters with the spray. They do deliver outside Benin. If you call them, maybe outside Benin go be with money. But inside Benin go be free of charge. Now, so now even abroad for year, within they enter free. But if you say take it to Amsterdam, it's with money. Yes, they deliver everywhere. Just call them. I will post their number later, yeah? They have fashion designer. They have wholesale of food stuff. Egusi, ogbolo, bazabaza, this. They have it. They have medical doctor, person will get your own clinic. I'll put them later. Okay. They also get person where they work for Guinness civil servant. Okay. They get weather where go fit do your gates. It way full package in we are the by meeting all work banner. They get Pombler. Then go still get DJ. I think so. I never reached there. They get Pombler. They get buying and selling of land, properties. You want to sell your property or you want to buy, you can call. Bros, well now for get land, you go check them out. Then the rest, international businessmen, those are the international member where they. Okay, I know talk their two names. Darlington, Teddy, Bride, Austin, Kevin, Leslie, Osakmawa, Henry, Influence, Kevin, and Rich. They are all businessmen from international. They are international members, all now businessmen. You can see now international number now they get the UK, they get member for UK, Belgium, Italy, Spain, India, Spain, Malaysia. So everywhere they are very, very thick. Guys, they know what they are doing. They are Oga Patapata of Unity Fathers Club. Very sound. They all of them, they are sound and hardworking. And their mother is Sister Naomi, the founder of, that's the way that they do their, that's the way that they do their, wait to my people, that's the way that they do their mother. Now she gets, now she be the founder, the CEO of God Covenant with David Foundation. You can find them on YouTube if you just type it now to really know about their mother. Say, who be this Madam Naomi? Where be this man, this gallant man? When people say I gallant, so you supposed to gallant. When they look your nyash, you go get shit. They look your ear, you go get pepper. Don't be say you go say you gallant. Nothing. I wait the window, but woman, you know. So they are mother of the house. What of women? They don't have women, they are men. Okay, but you as a woman can join them and become international member. Okay, their service the high for to go party. Everybody know na Nigeria, some party day for Nigeria na 2,000 naira, 10 naira. Once in a while they say bring and come. Instead of you waste to get papa and mama when no say when you go Nigeria you want to do orishi party. People wey want marry next year. Why go me on where he can't carry me he can't carry the money. Join your own meeting now with 25 euro. Join your own meeting now with 100 euro. Join your meeting now. Join your meeting now so that the meeting go spray you. They go also give you the money. No come say even ye meet you or he said then one way me wa gwala bo se we ya no mo meeting why get over ladian o. Okay, so the mommy of this great men, the aheyeke of this great men, the ijowa of this great men, na Mrs. Naomi, one all the way from UK. Now she be the founder and the CEO of God's Covenant with David Foundation. You can find them on YouTube. You can find them on Facebook. They are women own a Unity Mothers Club. Okay, thank you. You understand? So, and they also help these men. They not just end there. Say they be only meeting. They just end. They are also doing random acts of kindness on their own. They know they use and call nobody on their own. This is when they went out to go and do random acts of kindness. They support children, like school start that day. They go to, I don't forget the primary school. I don't to know those primary school, you know. They go to one primary school, they go share paper, books for them. They go Ring Road, they cook and give all those beggar jollof rice and water. They support handicap foundation and orphanage too. They said now also foundation, and at the same time they support orphanage, home, handicap home, beggars in the streets, and they build young talents because they said now fathers and husband, they know what it is to get children to get talent young. So they get all these children out of the street and put them where they can learn work. Okay, they are really doing great with all they have been doing for past 3 years, with all proof. Okay, these are the men, all married men and doing their work. This was when they were doing birthday for one orphanage handicapped child, and when they open, they can't get bigger branch, bigger house where they operate and gather things. They also they carry live bands every session to celebrate the children. So these days, a lot of Benin people, we are doing great in this foundation. That's why I say, you really sakwa. Please, if you know, say you open foundation, try to have handwork. Any foundation man we no get handwork where they do, it no good. Somebody want to that they where did they work now that they eat, where did they work now that they eat. He say Koku foundation, you know they work now. My brother before Koku foundation come they work again, they work for that company. Jesus Christ. And the way into they get you who they support them. You see I'm saying that for social media like that. No, if they follow offices, when your foundations, they follow offices, they look for help. Now work be that. If you don't go do an amigo come do one for you. You understand? So this is their ban with Jesus cross on it. How they help all those ones. This now Christmas time. They went to orphanage home with a lot of Indomies, Pampers, chips, pad for guest children, sweater, used clothes from abroad, from mommy Naomi, that is their godmother. A lot of things. They went to orphanage, helped the people with a lot of juice that they drink for Africa. I know that these are the men. So, see when they go party. Okay, you where your husband like swagging, they are very swaggalicious. That's their father. Okay. A whole lot. Now only that small one will just show. It be plenty, but this one now when their mommy Naomi come back home. So if you really like jollification, Cocoa Foundation have. Yes, now Cocoa Foundation have corporate sponsors. Not come give me. No, they not they do that one. So if you can't turn yourself at that time to say now you take the work, it's very good because you need to go to offices to get sponsors. Okay, sponsors is not just easy like that to get. Okay, so yeah, that they open one of their member way builders. Now that they open this one, and when their mother come, I think so. Pastor where they now they pray so. That's their mother, mommy Naomi, and their middle. Bibini, wetin that they sing be say now back. Mama take the carry pikin make just post it. I will just post it, okay, so you can see it yourself. If you want to join them, you call them. Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. Who is this?
Is that Monica?
Yes. Doro. I hope that they cook jollof, of course. One outside just now, you say na saga they give Monica viewer. They know na ye bunse na ma ye se we are setting me on now. When we camera we ba me on now our advertisement advertisement awu eta t-shirt au gelete nene saga nothing e wana na you stay wo biasona la rien wo do 12 don reach abeg me I go take break. You know say 12 o'clock tonight if una one year I forgot the teaching where we don't fit talk for grant today. Now for my YouTube we'll go do one. So don't forget. Please, if you don't have interest, I beg you in the name of God. Don't come, oh. Don't come. Please, this is 2020. Don't come and watch what you don't like. Because we will be saying it there, twa. We will be saying it tawa. Do you understand? If you don't like to hear that kind of thing in your ear, don't sign in that 12 o'clock. You can come back tomorrow on Sunday. I will be live also in the evening, maybe like 8 o'clock. By the grace of God, if I late, it will be on Monday. Yeah? So if you don't like this midnight, so where we want to do your things, you don't like it, don't watch. It's very spoil. We are very spoil. No problem. You hear? I don't want to come down and see somebody preaching to me. Or me, myself, I'm a preacher. You understand me? Thank you so much, so that we can go straight without nobody disturbing. Now, come with your question, guys. This night, I will answer question. The first one where I do only me want just teach. When I come finish the video, I come see say people were really like, please answer me, please, and it really pay me, you know, because sometimes people just come across it coincidentally and they quickly want to use the opportunity to ask for what they don't know. So tonight I will make sure that I talk small and I read comments so that I can answer question. Come with your question, anything about your body. We are all adults. Any small picking, go and sleep. Thank you so much. We did it again. Is there anything I promised somebody to do that I did not do? I don't think so. Instagram or Facebook. No, YouTube. Monica, no worry, we will be there to deal with them. Give me 5. Just that sometimes no so life fighting. You know, say when you come they concentrate the fight, we get down there. You understand? That's why I don't just want those one where no one listening. Make they go. So that everybody will feel listening. Don't be say they no one listening, they come they fight, you or they answer them. I can understand if person come later read comment, may see what you contribute to me where at Gbogbo Igan, at Lovett, at Idiot, at Maureen, at Imobo encourage. I encourage everybody contributing. We are going slow and slow. That's why I say not like I feel no come. Say my what ya akotana mati no ya ta e face me ya ta me no mamo a we face me ta we are give here ba. Bye.